Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2020 Ford Fusion. To begin this project, you will need a long extension with a 13mm to take off the battery bracket. And once you get the bolt loosened, you will reach down with your hand and take it out with your hand, the battery bracket and the bolt itself. The next step, you will need a 10mm socket or a wrench to turn clockwise to take off your positive terminal. And the negative terminal is kind of like flushed a little bit behind the wall above the hood itself. So we're using a 10mm wrench to take off the negative terminal. Now this particular vehicle takes a group size H5. It goes into this vehicle. If you're needing this, you can jump to our website at batteryguyz.com and get yourself the world's best reconditioned battery delivered to your house or business. Free delivery. Save you around like 25-30% than going to the store. So we're installing this back into the vehicle here. We're going to go ahead and connect that negative terminal on the post so we can go and get it connected, so we can kind of like push it back a little bit so we can work as well. So we'll go ahead and connect the negative terminal by turning it clockwise with your wrench. Going to connect your positive terminal nets to the positive post of the battery itself. Get your 10mm wrench or socket and tighten up that bolt. Turn it clockwise until you feel it tight. Now that's your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation here. And we're adding great value today by watching this video to show you exactly how to install your battery for your 2020 Ford Fusion. We just ask for one thing. You can give us a thumbs up. The thumbs up helps push this video into the YouTube algorithm so it can help someone else that's searching to how to get a little quick book exactly how to install this battery as well. Likewise, if you have not subscribed to the channel as well, we have a great channel here that we offer. Not only we do car installs, we show you exactly everything we do in this business, from recycling 2 semi-truckloads of recycled batteries on a monthly basis, which is also in our recycling and reconditioning business here as well. We'll show exactly how we recondition the world's best reconditioned battery as well. So we tighten up that positive post here. And if you're looking for a great opportunity, a great change in career, a business that you can get started in your city or in your state, look into our Battery Guyz franchise with a Z.com.